Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have a wide selection of new and pre-owned vehicles ready for immediate delivery. Over 350 new and used vehicles in stock. If you're on YouTube and want to go to our website and see all of our current inventory, please go to sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com. Today we have a new arrival to the dealership. It's a 2005 Dodge Dakota Laramie. So this back in 2005 was basically fully loaded. It's blue in color. It's got 17-inch chrome wheels. The tires on this specific unit look to be, and I would say 80% as far as total tread depth. Very clean. There's a couple rust spots. One on the driver's door there at the bottom, and then one on the back fender here. But it is a 2005 and it is a four-wheel drive truck. These trucks are not easy to find, especially in the crew cab. Trailer hitch with 7-pin and 4-pin wiring hookup. Like I said, it is leather seating. So leather seat, pretty clean inside overall. Besides the driver's seat's got some tears and stuff in it. The exterior, the paint on this don't seem to be fading at all. For an 05, that's pretty hard to find. Just at 150,000 miles, four-wheel drive does work well. Shifts great, good running little truck. Power windows, power locks. Like I said, this vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. Our website is sherrychrysler.com. It's SherryChrysler.com. With any question on this vehicle, please feel free to give us a phone call at 937-778-0830.